Guys, affiliate marketing has got to be the best business model for newbies trying to start their own online business. So in this video, I'm going to break down briefly why I believe it is the best business model. And by the end of the video, you'll know if it is something that you may want to dive in. And at the end of the video, I'm going to share how you can learn and earn 80% commissions at the same time doing affiliate marketing. So be sure to stay to the end, as this could be life-changing for you. I'm Paula Walker and I'm absolutely passionate about affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn more about this business model, then consider subscribing to my channel for more videos on this topic. Right, so let's begin. Just for those of you who are not familiar with affiliate marketing and not too sure what it is, well, basically in a nutshell, it's when you get paid a commission for promoting and selling other people's products or services online. And all you have to do to get started is you sign up as an affiliate for a company, and then they issue you with a custom link that is assigned to you. And then once you have this link, you'll go out and promote it and put it in front of people that may be interested in buying. And if they decide to buy the product, then you get paid a commission. Now, there are thousands and thousands of companies out there on the internet today, some good and some sadly not that good, which, by the way, I'll leave a link to a video that I did on this particular topic. Now, you can partner with any of these companies, and to find out if a company has an affiliate program, all you do is you Google the name of the company and then you look at the bottom of their website, and it'll have something that says either affiliate program, partner program, ambassador, or associates program. So all you do is you click on that link and register, and then once you've been accepted, they will issue you with the link that you can use to promote it. Now, the product you promote can either be a physical product or a digital product, which I prefer, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Now, I know you're probably asking, what commissions do these companies actually pay? Well, the rate you get paid depends on the individual company, and they all vary. But to give you an example, let's just take Amazon. So depending on what you're selling, Amazon only pays between 3 and 5% in commission. So basically, you get paid a certain percentage based on what you're actually sending, your people to. And I'm sure you agree that Amazon's percentages are very, very small, and you'll need to make a lot of sales to make a substantial amount of money. On the other hand, if you promote a high-ticket digital product, which I recommend, you get paid a much higher commission rate, which usually ranges from 3 to 8%. And the reason why the commissions are so much higher are because once a digital product is made, it can be sold over and over again without having to be made again. So the only cost was to make the first product. So therefore, the company can pay much higher commissions. Okay, so let's get into why I love affiliate marketing and why I recommend it for newbies. The first reason why I love it, it's because anyone can do it. You don't need any experience. The costs are low to start up. There's no risk. It's very low risk, and it's easy to start, and you can start right away. And you don't need to create your own products, or you don't need your own products. And it's easy to get the business off the ground, and you can get results very quickly. You don't need to do any customer support, no worries about delivering the product, and you don't need to hire anyone or have any fancy equipment. You can literally run your business from anywhere in the world as long as you have a computer and a good Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you're wanting to learn affiliate marketing the right way and you want to earn 80% commissions at the same time, there's a link in the description that will take you to the Home Business Academy, where you can learn everything. So just a side note, I would never promote something that I didn't believe in, as I wouldn't want to lose credibility and trust with my audience. So happy affiliate marketing.